How y'all doing? 2011 Chevy Malibu with 2.4 Ecotech in it. We are doing a throttle position sensor. Crankshaft position sensor. Sorry about that. Okay, got it out. But you got to take starter out. There she go. And it's right there. It's 3. Don't get it confused. It's the one that's on the far right. Okay, you gotta get it out of there. Take a little time to get it out, but you must take the starter out in order to get to it. Okay, you got crank, no start. Yeah. Gas, spark, battery. The crank is spinning, but no start. And you was just driving it an hour ago, 30 minutes ago, yesterday. Yep, it go out just like that. So, have a nice day, y'all. Well, that's where it's at. Right there. You gotta take the starter out. To get to it, it's an 8mm bolt on this. Starter bolts is 15mm and a 13 for the power. You got one plug on it. Yep. Y'all have a great day. Rick, DY.